Intel and Hugging Face have collaborated, and it has given opportunities to the developers to write the codes in much easier way with much limited number of lines. Yes, Hugging Face is a superb low-code platform. Hugging Face is a company primarily known for its work in NLP and artificial intelligence. This company provides a platform and set of tools for developers to work with and deploy state-of-the-art machine learning models, particularly focusing towards NLP. The company's name, Hugging Face, comes from their mascot, which is a hugging face emoji. Hugging Face has gained prominence for its contributions to the open source community, particularly for its work on the transformers. I'll tell you what exactly is the transformer shortly. Transformers made the lives of the developers much easier and very comfortable. Hugging Face platform includes a wide range of resources such as pre-trained models, datasets, and tools for fine-tuning and deploying models for various NLP tasks, which are like text classification, sentiment analysis, machine translation, and whatnot. Their platform facilitates collaborative research and development in the field of NLP and enables developers to easily integrate powerful NLP capabilities into their applications. And we are getting into Hugging Face right now, and we will see some excellent demos as well. Hugging Face is going to make your life easier, is what I repeat here. You can build, train, and deploy state-of-the-art models powered by the reference open source in the machine learning. What all you can do with Hugging Face? Access data, you can discover models, you can do a lot of inferencing at an easier way, model training can be accomplished, optimizations can be done, and much more things can also be done with Hugging Face. Yes, partnering with Hugging Face has democratized ML is what we strongly feel. So Intel and Hugging Face have come together, and Intel has contributed a lot of models into the Hugging Face. I'm going to show you few of them so that you can understand how you can utilize that, and that's fun as well. With Hugging Face, we are creating super values. We can reduce the number of lines of code one should write. We can cut down the resources required to build solutions. We are creating maximum value to the organizations as well. Yes, we need to now understand about the transformers. A transformer is a type of deep learning model architecture used primarily for NLP. Yes, after the evolution of transformers, it has become much easier for people to do a lot of NLP tasks. The basic idea behind transformer is called as self-attention mechanism. What makes transformer special is that its ability to pay attention to different parts of the sentence. For an instance, while translating a sentence from one language to another, transformer knows which words in the input sentence are important for understanding the meaning, and it focuses on those words. This attention to detail helps transformers to do a great job on the tasks like translating languages, answering questions, chatbots, summarizing articles, and many more. They are basically the powerhouse behind many of the coolest language-related AI technologies we have today. Transformers generally enables the model to capture long-range dependencies in the input sequence much more effectively than the traditional architectures that we are working with, like the RNNs or the CNNs. So transformers are the future, and Hugging Face is primarily using a lot of transformers that way. Some of the popular transformers that you are already aware of or you could be using is the BERT, bidirectional encoder representations from transformers. GPT, we are using it every day almost. Generative pre-trained transformer. Robota, robustly optimized BERT approach. T5 is text-to-text transfer transformer, and many others are there. There are so many transformers which you can start exploring when you get into the Hugging Face. All right, let's learn some simple examples with Hugging Face. I'm going to first explore dense prediction transformer. It is called as DPT. It is trained on 1.4 million images for the task of molecular depth estimation. DPT internally uses vision transformer, which is called VIT, as the backbone. And we have added the neck and head on top of the model, and we have built the molecular depth estimation model. The model card has been written in combination by the Hugging Face team and Intel, and you can use this model very easily. 4 or 5 lines of code is what you need to get this model done. You can see the code right in front of you. from transformers import pipeline. Pipe is equal to pipeline with the task being mentioned clearly as depth estimation. And the name of the model is Intel/DPT large. If you want to explore more, read more about the architectural details, you will have to visit huggingface.co/Intel. There you get all the information about how this model has been built, what are all the parametric details, all those you can understand very clearly by visiting huggingface.co/Intel. The next line of the code is nothing but you are getting the result for the input image that you are passing, and there it ends. 4 lines of the code, you are able to get the task done. We can see the demo right now in front of you, and I'm going to show you how it works. It's a simple demo that I'm going to show you, make you understand how things work when it comes to the DPT model that we have taken. DPT large for the monocular depth estimation. You can see that I have just walked you through the code. I have got an input image that is an image with 2 cats. You can see that right on the bed, and we are going to get the depth estimated for this image, and we will get the output right in seconds when we use the Intel/DPT large model. 4 lines of code, you are getting things done. I am running it right now with Google Colab. You can try this out also in the Intel Tibere Developer Cloud, which will be even more easier. Just to tell you that these models can be run even on the Google Colab, I have used this option. So you can test this out in Intel Tibere Developer Cloud as well. Now you can see that the model is getting run. It may take half a minute maximum for you to get this run. Let's wait until the result is available in front of us. You can see that it's almost run. We will get the output right now in front of us. If you are using Google Colab, please ensure that you check the resources status. Yes, we got the output, and that's it. 4 lines of code is capable for us to get the depth estimation done for the input image that we have chosen, and there it ends. That's going to be simple. Let's get into the next one, which is going to be even more interesting in this flow. Yes, we will get into that. We have got multiple other models available for the same task of depth estimation. Hybrid models, large ADE, BEIT large 512, SWIN V2 large 384. All these are available. So try it out at your convenience. And these models have got proven performance as well. Let's get into the next one. We are going to generate images with Stable Diffusion. Yes, we have already done it earlier with the Intel Tibere Developer Cloud, but we did not use Hugging Face there. I'm going to use it in a simpler way right here, and I'm going to use the model called as LDM3D-Pano. This is from Intel, so the link is Intel/LDM3D-Pano. When you get into huggingface.co/Intel, you can search for LDM3D-Pano for you to get this. Let me walk you through the code, and it's so simple, easy to understand code, and you can understand the power of Hugging Face and Intel contribution there. After doing the necessary installations, we are importing the diffusers. Then we need to mention the name of the model, Intel/LDM3D-Pano. I've given the link in front of you for you to understand how exactly you can go through that. This is the web page where we have got the model card available with clear explanation as in what is what, sample outputs, everything is given for you for your quicker understanding. This way, anybody can understand how to use this very nicely. On CPU, you can run it. On GPU, you can run it. On CPU, we are running it right now. The prompt that I'm going to give is a ground with lot of people playing, and the name of the image is ground-pano. Followed by that, you need to give the resolution factors, and then you can get the output. That's all. Run the code. You will get the output in few seconds. How simple was it? Generating an image with Hugging Face and Intel's combination in Intel Tibere Developer Cloud is very easy. Now you can see that it is running, and I'll get the output right in seconds in front of me, and you can see how exactly it can be done. You test it out yourself, and in case you get into any questions or doubts, you can please reach us out, and we'll be very happy to assist you. The image generation process, the GenAI process as such, is made very simple when we get into these kind of options. Typical low-code platform is what I am providing you. In the left-hand side, you can see that two images are generated. One is the source, another one is the depth content that is generated. We can see both of them right now. The image generated for the ground and the monocular depth estimation for the same is done. That's all. So it's very easy, isn't it? Try it out, and all these are available in huggingface.co/Intel. Let's go with one other model that we'll be able to understand how you can build a neural chat engine. Yes, we are going to build a very simple mathematics teacher coming to the chat and teaching you mathematics step by step. We are going to build a chat engine for that purpose. Yes, the code is very simple. I will walk you through that. Then you will be able to understand how you can use that. The model name is neural-chat-7b-v3-1. The link is also provided in front of you, and you can go through the page where the complete model card details are available, how it is built, what are the architectural details that you need to know. Everything is presented to you in such a way that you can understand things easier. So I recommend you to go through it to understand things much better. Now you can see that I have used the model here, and then I'm going to generate response with system input and user input. The prompt has to be taken from the user, and we are going to tokenize and encode the prompt. Then we are generating the response, and the system input is you are a math expert assistant. Your mission is to help users understand and solve various math problems. You should provide step-by-step solutions explaining reasonings. Now, user input is the input that I have to give to the system to get the calculation done. 1 plus 2 plus 30 plus 7 plus 9 is the one that I want to compute, and the input is now given. Now, when I run the code, I'll be able to get the output step by step, where it will explain me mathematically step by step with clear note as in how the computation has been done for the given input sequence, given expression. So it is happening right now, and you will get the output anytime right now. It may take about 30 seconds for you to get the compute done. Let's wait until then. You can try this out in Google Colab. You can try this out in Intel Tibia Developer Cloud. I'm showing you the demo with Tibia Developer Cloud right now. I have shown you one such demo with the Google Colab as well. When you come to Tibia Developer Cloud, the restrictions are limited in terms of the resource usage. So it's being run right now, and we will get the output right in front of you. Yes, we got that. The input, step 1, first add 2 numbers. Step 2, add next. Step 3, step 4, and you can see all the steps have been finally computed very clearly, and result is available in front of you. So this way you have built a chat engine for yourself to perform a particular task. It's going to be simple and easy, right? Try it out yourself, and Hugging Face is for the future, and we are glad that we are part of it. All right. With respect to this part of the discussion, I would like to conclude with following thoughts. We have got a very strong, powerful abstractions provided with Hugging Face collaboration. The extensions can help you really to write a very limited number of lines of code, and it's optimized as well, and you can use these APIs for getting things done. Don't leave the opportunities currently available on the table. Please utilize. Keep building and contributing to the open source community. Bring AI everywhere. Thank you.